Good morning, watch fans. This is Big Jim with the big giant 8-inch wrist. And today we have another unboxing. I know what it is. It's the only thing I have left that I have on order forever and a day. This is one of those boxes you played phone tag with. You played phone tag and person tag and email tag with the post office for 4 days. It finally showed up. So, I know exactly what it is. I've complained about my Doxa adventure before. Tried to buy a Doxa 200 yellow from Jomoshop. They promised us a $250 discount on that watch, a $1,000 watch, so $750 is a fair price. And we waited 4 months to be told finally that they can't fulfill the orders. Well, and that's quite irritating. So I went on a little rant online. And I found a very nice Citizen yellow watch that is very, very similar to the Doxa I had ordered. And there it is. It is the correct watch. Look at that. I can do get it open now. Look at that, folks. Wow. This is a JDM, Japanese Domestic Market Only watch. There is the tag number. It is NJ0170-83Z, caliber 8210. So it is a non-hacking movement. Screw down crown, supposed to be. Yes, no, maybe. No screw down crown. All right. Play with it a second. Let's get it wound up. Wow, taking a little bit to wind. Dead as a doorknob. This is a $230 shipped to the US watch. Found it a few places on Amazon and eBay for $300. So this is a pretty good price. I mean, I got my discount on something at least. So, you see it's ticking away. Get a little zoom in here on the dial. It's a pretty good looking dial. Yeah, I got a little texture going on. And all the stickers, of course. Sticker, sticker, sticker. Yeah, for 230 bucks, I think this is well worth it. Yeah, I think so. Take a look at that clasp. I'm sure it's going to be garbage. You know. I get it open. How do you open this thing? There it is. Yeah, it's a garbage clasp. Yeah, what are you going to do? Let's get this zoom back out so we can all see this together now. Alright. So, what I've done here is I found the closest I could find to that particular watch that I wanted. And I ordered a Jubilee. I have a 22 also here. I can pull it off of that one. This is a 22 millimeter. I could not find the size of the bracelet anywhere on this watch. I could not find the size anywhere for the bracelet. So I had to guess. I bought one of each. Ooh, nice bezel. Nice bezel action. So I missed. Ooh, almost no back play. Nice. Very nice. I know it's going to have great loom. Movement's not great. But let's... There's the first. Today is the 25th. Let's go over the 25th. Let's go to the 24th. And then take it in manually. Okay, fast flip over. It's 11:31 in the morning here in Vegas. 25th of July, 11:31. Yeah, it's a shame about the no screw down crown, but you know, for the price, I can't really complain. I'm going to have to try and hack this thing. I know it doesn't hack. Let's see what happens when you pull it out now. Yeah, it doesn't hack, which is what I expected from an 820. It's fine. 8210 is the movement number. It's the basic Citizen movement. It's very similar to the old Seiko 7S movement that was in the original SKX. They're good movements. They are durable. They are within, generally run within 20 seconds a day. And you can regulate them. There is a way to regulate them. I saw a video on it. So this is a clear case back, which is fine. I don't really care about that too much. I'm never going to look at it. And it is, again, a basic movement that, again, I don't care about. The bracelet's nice and solid, though. It's got solid end links. It's not bad. It's not a terrible clasp. I've seen worse. Let's take off my North flag. Love the North flag. Love the custom strap. It's on a deployant. Great watch. Super accurate. So 3 second a day, 1.5 second a day watch. I think 1.5 second a day. Yeah. Let's see. Does it fit the big wrist? Oh my goodness, look at that. It fits the big wrist. Oh my goodness. It fits the big wrist. Right out of the box. You can't beat the JDM stuff. Right out of freaking Japan. I love it. I'm going to move it in a little bit, make it feel a little better, but that is my Citizen Yellow diver. It's, not a real diver. It's a fake diver. But what are you going to do? It's the right color, black and yellow with good lume. Let's do a quick lume shot. And we'll kind of call it. If I can find the switch here. If I can't find the switch, I'm dumb as a stump. There's one. There's that one. And this one. Get it in there. Ooh. See the North flag's lit up too. So, this is the lume on a $3,500 watch here on the left. And this is the lume on a $200 watch. And that ain't too shabby, folks. You can see it. It's readable. Got a nice lume pip on top. It's been Big Jim. Thanks. Bye.